Removing reflection in Photoshop is way easier and more convenient than before. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove reflections super quickly using the latest version of Photoshop. So let's get started. So here is our image. You can clearly see the reflection here. And we want to remove that. To do this, just go to Edit and you will find the new reflection removal option. Click on it. Now set the quality to best and make sure to check create separate reflection layer because we want to work non-destructively. Then just hit OK. And give Photoshop a few seconds to process the image. And done. Here is the before and after. And the really cool thing is Photoshop creates two separate layers for you. One of them is the reflection layer itself. You can actually drag this reflection layer to the top and change the blending mode to screen and lower the opacity to control how strong the reflection looks. That's honestly super useful. And if you want to completely remove the reflection, you can simply leave it as it is. Now for a little fine tuning, I'm going to add a clarity and dehaze adjustment layer and increase the dehaze slightly. Maybe add a bit of clarity too, just to bring back some details. You can also boost the colors a little using a vibrance adjustment layer if you want the image to pop more. And now check this out. Here is the before and after. Looks so much cleaner. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.